Hello all, welcome to the day 23 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. Krithika purchased a pendulum clock for her living room. The clock has a small pendulum that is 15 centimeter long. The lengths of the minute hand and the hour hand are 9 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Using this information, answer the following. Question 1. Calculate the area traced by the minute hand in 10 minutes. Because the question says 10 minutes, if we divide the clock for every 10 minutes, then we get 6 equal sectors. So the angle subtended is equal to 360 upon 6, which is 60 degree. The area traced by minute hand in 10 minutes is equal to 60 upon 360 into pi. Our radius of the minute hand is 9, so 9 into 9, which is 1 upon 6 times 3.14 into 81, which gives us 42.39 centimeters square. Question 2. If the pendulum travels a total distance of 22 centimeter during one complete oscillation, determine the angle formed at the center of the pendulum. Let's assume this is the pendulum. One full oscillation means from the initial position it moves to the left and then to the right. It travels to the same distance on the right and then comes back to the original position. So now this distance traveled is 22. If we translate this as a sector, the sector looks something like this. And the arc length of this sector will be 22 by 2, which is 11. The length of the pendulum is 15. Arc length is equal to 11 centimeter. That is theta upon 360 times 2 into pi into r, which is 15, is equal to 11. Theta is equal to 11 into 360 upon 2 into 15 into 22, and 7 goes on the numerator. On simplifying, we get theta as 42 degrees. Question 3. Compute the area swept by the hour hand in 1 hour. This is the hour hand in the clock and it is 6 centimeter long. Assume it moves from 10 to 11. There are 12 1 hours. The entire 360 degree has to be divided by 12 to get the angle spanned by this hour hand when it moves 1 hour. That is, theta will become 360 upon 12, which is 30 degree. So the area swept will be 30 upon 360 into pi into 6 square. On simplifying, we get 9.42 centimeters square. Question 4. Find the area covered by the hour hand from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. In the previous question, we found out the area swept by the hour hand in 1 hour. But now in the fourth question, we have to get it from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. So total number of hours between 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. is 6. Area covered in 1 hour is equal to 9.42. Therefore, area covered in 6 hours will be 6 times 9.42, which is 56.52 centimeters square. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.